Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, let's talk about a nice way to make money online by using a wonderful website. And generally, today's topic is based on kids games or toys. And to be more clear and to be straight to the point, let's head to this amazing website for today. That is childuniverse.com. Childuniverse.com. This amazing platform provides a big and good collection of wooden kids games, so kids can play with them to have fun and to develop their intellectual skills, solving problems, and as introductory stage for preschool or during kindergarten. As you see, here you'll find a lot of categories and games like Montessori, puzzles for solar group, alphabet, numbers, letters, or even you'll find the puzzles of custom names. That makes these kids games are more personalized and funnier. As you see, personalized gifts like Catherine, Livia, and so on and so forth. And on top of that, these wooden kids games are safe for kids without any harmful ink, as you see, like letters, okay, Montessori, nursery decor for nursery schools, and so on. And here you'll find a lot of positive reviews, as you see, like worldwide shipping and safe for children, educational and with love. So now, to make money and to make the best of this beautiful website is you can promote these products to parents, customers, teachers, nursery schools, and so on. Or in other words, you can work as an affiliate to this amazing website, Child Universe. And fortunately, the affiliate program of Child Universe is hosted by the well-known affiliate network shareasale.com. Shareasale.com, here you'll find this affiliate program of Child Universe, as you see. And here you can get 20% per sale as a commission, okay? As you see, wooden games, as you see, okay? And the average commission is about $9, okay? So if you don't have account here on ShareASale, simply just you can join ShareASale. You have got to have a website. So you can create one like a blog spot from Google with some articles about parenthood, children, teaching materials, education, and so on. And then you can join shareasale.com and you will be approved at once. And therefore, you can search for childuniverse.com in this merchant, search for merchants, and you will get approved immediately. And now, how and where to promote these kids games of Child Universe. The first place I would recommend for you to promote kids games of Child Universe is Instagram. And for sure, I always say that there are some profitable niches and fields that are doing well on Instagram, like pets, fashion, funny and memes, and kids. So you can create here an Instagram page with a business account, and just you can share some photos and images of cute babies, cute girl, cute boy, and so on to gain more followers and get more engagement. Then you can promote your products or your kids games or toys, okay? As you see, and for sure I have talked about a lot of tips and tricks to promote through Instagram. You'll find these videos below in the first comment. Like you can make even a shop, or you can turn your posts into clickable ones, or you can create a smart link. So the first place to promote your kids games and toys is Instagram. Second place for sure is Pinterest. Yes, Pinterest. And no wonder, Pinterest is the biggest platform and social media platform is visited by a lot of females and ladies and mothers. So you can promote these teaching materials or these games. And to promote your kids games or to make your Pinterest bin more noticeable is you have to make your bin tall and vertical to be more noticeable among all other pins. Okay, so for example, to be more applicable in my words, so we can go to ShareASale, okay, and after being approved here on Child Universe program, okay, so we can go to this one, get links, perfect, to make your Pinterest pin simply and quickly, and go to this category, banners, okay, to get the images and the photos of this program, okay, with these offers 50% and so on. Okay, so we can go banners again, as you see, and now we can search for a lot of photos which are tall and vertical, like this one for example, or this one. It's amazing. And now like this one, so we can click over that and save image. Okay, and now we can go to this amazing website, like is simple image resizer. Select image, dimensions 700 and duplicate, resize 1500 and download. As you see, personalized name puzzle. Okay, now we can save image. That way you can make your pen taller and vertical. Okay, now we can go back to Pinterest and just we can drag and drop like that. Okay, as you see, and for sure you can make your Pinterest pin more clear, so you can make it yourself on a lot of websites like Canva, VistaCreate or Photoshop. Okay, so now I just show you how to make your Pinterest pin tall and vertical. Okay, and for sure to add here your affiliate link, Pinterest doesn't allow you to put and insert your affiliate links, so you have to use some landing pages like this amazing platform, justpaste.it, and I have talked about this amazing website previously in a video. You'll find this video below in the first comment. Okay, or you can use this amazing platform, that is melano.com. You can make which is called mood board, so you can promote your affiliate products as you want using this amazing website as a landing page. Okay, so you can promote your kids games on Instagram or Pinterest by direct promotion, or you can use indirect promotions by using overlay message, which means you can make banners or messages over an article where you can promote your products, announce your offers and your discounts and so on. And for sure I have talked about this amazing technique. You'll find this video below in the first comment to make overlay messages. Okay, one of these beautiful websites is sharecta.com or sharecalltoaction.com. Okay, so you can insert here the article you want to share and you want to promote, including your overlay message that promotes your product, your kids games of Child Universe. Okay, so you have to watch this video below in the first comment of overlay message makers. And for sure you can promote these articles everywhere like Instagram, Pinterest, or even Facebook groups like this amazing group, which is concerning is parenthood, parenting and motherhood, like kids crafts and activities. So you can join this group and promote your articles related to parenting and provide teaching materials and so on. And for sure you can promote your kids games indirectly, and that way you can make money by selling these kids games of Child Universe to make commission and to make money. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.